So, since you guys have been asking about seeing renovations, this is what your girl's doing at 7 o'clock this morning. Got the good get up going on. But I've run out of fabric. So right now I'm doing these walls along here and all the sides, but I've miscalculated. And the problem is now, the company that I bought the fabric from, they are no longer shipping to Australia because of COVID tensions. So what I've done is I've asked a girlfriend in Canada. I bought the fabric and I've had it sent to her place, and she's gonna ship it to my place. I don't care how long it takes to get here, so long as it's on its way. Because, I mean, how stupid is it going to look when I've got half done here, there, and I can't finish the rest? Oh my gosh, I can't believe how wrong I got it. But I really did. And yeah, so work in progress. I know it's not everyone's taste, but your girl's a maximalist in life, in love, in decor, in everything. So, you know, it is what it is. And after I do all the walls and whatever, I will be changing the furniture. I've got this white square tile, wall tile thing up here. I've decided I don't like that. I don't like the way it looks. That's coming down, and this whole ceiling is going to be painted brown. Either painted, or I'm gonna get like wood tile squares. And yeah, the white, I don't like it. As soon as I put it up, I'm like, oh no. Anyway, live and learn, live and learn. So yeah, so this is what's happening. Got all my Babylonian pictures here, because you know how mad I am about the Babylonian time period. Yeah, you'll see it. It's all in my book, the Uranus Medallion. And I got a bunch of pictures to put up all over these walls. So I know the prints are busy, but they're kind of going to get covered like that. So yeah, anyway, it's looking not finished. It's looking interesting. Look at this. This is your girl's get up. So as a side note, I actually, well, it actually looks like a casket, doesn't it? But this is a chest that I have found in my cellar. It was a little bit higgledy-piggledy when I found it, but I've kind of fixed it up, stained it, and then I've inlaid it with this like muslin fabric. And I've stitched around, so I had to make a cube. I hand stitched all of this. And yeah, I'm gonna fold and put all my clothes in it. But I sent the picture to my mother yesterday. She's like, oh yeah, looks like a casket. So anyway, I made a lid for it. So I stain varnished it, and I've got some beautiful brass handles on the side to put, and you know, some little decorative pretty things on it. So yeah, better keep going. Look at this. There's my harp. You know your girl's been playing that. Anyway, this is the fabric up close. It does have a sheen to it. There's some of my little pictures. Can't really see the sheen yet. Don't mind my awful paintwork. That'll be fixed. But at the in nighttime, it's got this beautiful sheen on it, and it is gorgeous. So yeah, work in progress.